It took approximately what, 4.5 hours to reach from Fort Lauderdale to Jacksonville, you know, from the 95, you know. So, yeah, that would do, man. And the leverage, yeah. The leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage, alright. Well, leverage. Yeah, me I say, man, welcome back to Leverageboss TV. You don't know, say your boy Eclips. And me I say, just I do one vlog right now about 5:30 in the morning. And me I gotta go Jacksonville. And it's really specific, just uncle some liquor business, but yeah, maybe I'm showing you the journey with me and certain things. If not, I just maybe we just see where it turn out into, you know. But yeah, man, I don't know. Welcome back. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I like the new subscriber them when you come in. You don't know, say yo, that a leverage, you see me? So check it out. Yeah, so leverage nation, like we say now, we're Fort Lauderdale, and we're gonna drive roughly 5 hours to Jacksonville. Yeah. So right now, I'll make sure just drive and show you. Right now, we're there. We'll soon reach on the highway, the road, yeah. So that's what we're doing right now. Taking on the road, you know. So for this early morning, always remember, always have to get the iced coffee, you know. So start off the journey, right? Yeah. So that way I gotta know. I just, cause I mean, want something to keep focused on the road. I don't know, so when I do reckless driving, you know. So we have to be aware of the surroundings, yeah, man. So that's a leverage, man. We showing some part of the highway, and you know, get back to one and chat to that a leverage. Yeah, leverage nation. It's dark. I want to do a quick vlog for showing up on the highway right now. Dark. Look. Dark same way. They're behind the trucks, but just show we alone. We don't want to something there. Hold the camera, so yeah, man, dark right now. I see time better. Yeah, so they're on the highway and show up. We are checking, but yeah, right now leverage nation. We're like 40 minutes into the drive. And I don't know where I go and look like some form of accident or so, because traffic upon the 95. Look. Yeah. Stuck here. So that's a part of the journey right now. If I just see and wait where I go on until we start free up. But yeah. But yeah, man, leverage nation. I wanna see how I go on now. Right now we're just there, you know, just do your thing, you know, on the road as usual. Yeah, do the reviews and stuff. So so big up on yourself in a leverage nation. We are grow though. We are grow. Yeah, so we just they are going. Let's see where I go and watch it. Nah move. Yeah, so we just stuck in the traffic. That leverage. Damn, so I keep up the thing, eh? Big accident. Wow. Yeah, that's it. I keep up the traffic now. The road free up at the accident there. Now we get like a daylight now. So we free up. Back. Regular schedule. Take we a good 15-20 minutes we free up this about. Yeah. Things you see on the road while traveling, you know? Got few hours away that way. A lot of hours, but back for regular schedule. Yeah. So enjoy the journey a little bit. Leverage Nation now, half hour in, and right now, half hour left right now, see there, Jacksonville, so we reach on the way, is it? Alright, so just go and pre the road man and see where I'm going, is it? That's a leverage. Yeah, Leverage Nation, we reach Jacksonville, and right now, I'll show you the place. Some puppy and some one puppy, watch it. Jacksonville. Pick them in now, watch it. Ah, that one, take a poo. Hey. One over there, so. You know, come out and say, man. Yeah, Leverage Nation. There, so Jacksonville. Look good. Ask me. Nation, I don't know. Reaching at Jacksonville and do what we need to do and thing and talk what we need to talk and sort out. So right now, feel peckish, you know, so we just stop our gas station / popeyes, me see. So I just get some popeyes. See ya. Welcome to Jacksonville South Travel Center. Yeah man, I see Popeyes over there, so yeah man, so we are going at the Popeyes right now. And we have a son. Yeah, we are going at the Popeyes right now and see if we can just get, I don't really want nothing crazy, but see if we can just grab a meal and just left out. When I tell you we are starting at the restaurant, you know. So that we are doing right now. Jacksonville. Afterwards, I get some gas. But yeah, man, the dog them, they could pop with them in Jacksonville at $250. Them a go for. Nice, they could pop with them, man. So it took approximately what, 4.5 hours to reach from Fort Lauderdale to Jacksonville, you know, from the 95, you know. So yeah, and that we do, man, and we just reach and so I get some food, but we are cut up at the same day. We're not too tired. So yeah. The Popeyes, you know. I guess Popeyes and Subway in one. Yeah. The Popeyes. So we are get something. Oh. Yeah. So that's probably rich, man. See many there. Try to see if we can get like a 2-piece or something. And a juice. And that's about it, you know? Yeah, so.
It's probably
That I eat, man.
I think that is Belford.
So we are just
to Belford Road.
get it and sort out, you know?
Which is Belford. And then you come.
So we check in back and see, show you the food afterwards. But we just drive and consume it while we are doing it, you know? We are get some gas though. So that's a leverage. Fanta strawberry. Yeah, Leverage Nation, I don't know, come out of the Popeyes right now. Yeah, get a 3-piece fries with, you see soda what I get. But yeah, you know, I same place, I just gas up and thing. But remember, like, comment, share and subscribe. You know the leverage, man. Leverage. So yeah man, we just go to Bams and go in the same place. Get some gas and shove up back, but we are taking on a journey there. And I think I really vlog that part of the car. The battery I did on the camera, although I can charge it up right now, but that is enough for the vlog, isn't it? So we'll show you a meal too, and then afterwards we'll get some gas and thing, is it? Yeah, so all in one. So we did over the side over there, so now we forward over here, so here at pump 6 and we're gonna walk in and get some gas, you know, I think go. So yeah people, it was a nice journey. The weather kinda nice here because the weather right now in Florida as we speak is like 60. It reached like 60 and so you know I think go. Sorry. You know I think go. So we'll get some gas and just the right thing. You see it?
Hey,
Hello, I'm alright. Can I get 20, I think that's 7?
Yes. On what pump?
27 on pump 6.
On pump 6. Yes, sir, you can. You have a great day, sir.
You as well. Yeah. So we are gas up on thing. See in the store, yeah? Pump 6. Yeah. So we are get that man. So you know leverage, remember you know. Like we see again, we know we are repeat, but we are try. We are do it thing and we know we are get it. You don't know say right now I just 100 subs want to reach right now, but you don't know say right now the main target as right now 1,000 subscribers want to reach. You see me want to get the thing up and monetize, you see me? So we can do bigger and better things. You see me? Yeah. Oh, before, well that I it for the vlog now, but before that you know, we'll show you. We're gonna show you where I go on for popeyes now. Me not really the popeye, I get mild because I realize say the spicy kinda spicy and give them bubbly there. Give them bubbly there, but yeah man. See badness here man. See badness here. Not ever wash man wants it, but yeah. Part of the badness this man. You see me? 3-piece leg, breast and wing and biscuit and fries. So yeah. This I know. Let me get the sanitizer. Get the sanitizer real quick. Yeah, leverage nation. So can't go in a little taste by. Nice and bad. That's right man. This is the baddest thing I think they have for them biscuit. Yeah man. Can't go hard on them biscuit man. Leverage nation, that one now. The one that kinda tough. Nah like but the baddest thing man. Yeah man. But remember, that's how it feel vlog, remember? For like, comment, share and subscribe. Leverage, leverage, leverage. Until next time people, you don't know. See the gas done, $27. Bam, I'm out.